Welcome to my today's video. Today I'm going to share with you one of my nighttime moisturizer. This is Elizabeth Arden Good Night Sleep moisturizer cream. Especially I like this cream. This has like so special flowery nice smell. I love the smell. Actually I put this like in the PM, like whenever before I go to sleep I wash my face and I put this. This Elizabeth Arden Good Night Sleep is anti-aging cream. This is intensely moisturizing treatment with calming and soothing skin, and it also repair skin while you sleep. This cream refresh skin, relaxes fine line and make wrinkles softened. The cream is moisturized and very lightweight, soft, and this is so special because it has such a nice smell, and I love this cream. Thank you so much for watching.